What causes a gurgling toilet?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our discussion about an issue that many of us have encountered, the gurgling toilet. If you've ever wondered why your toilet sometimes makes strange sounds like a monster from the deep, this is the place to be. We're going to explore the most common causes of a gurgling toilet and what they mean.
What does a gurgling toilet mean?
Gurgling sounds from a toilet usually indicate that air is being trapped and forced through the water in your toilet bowl or tank. This is usually due to issues within your plumbing system that are causing a disruption to the normal flow of water and air.
What are the causes of a gurgling toilet?
A gurgling toilet is typically caused by one of three things. 1. Blocked vent pipe. The vent pipe, which extends from your roof, allows sewer gases to escape and air to enter, helping your drains work properly. If this pipe gets blocked, perhaps by leaves or bird nests, it can cause pressure imbalances that result in gurgling sounds. 2. Clogged or partially blocked drain pipes. If the pipes that carry waste from your toilet to the sewer are blocked, they can cause gurgling sounds. The blockage makes it hard for the water to drain, causing air bubbles to rise up and create the gurgling noise. 3. Poorly designed or installed plumbing systems. Sometimes, the issue might be the design or installation of your plumbing system. If the system doesn't allow for adequate air and water flow, it can result in the gurgling sounds you're hearing.
How can you fix a gurgling toilet?
Depending on the cause, fixing a gurgling toilet can range from simple DIY fixes to more complex jobs that require a professional plumber. Blocked vent pipes can often be cleared by carefully climbing onto the roof and removing the obstruction. Clogged drain pipes, on the other hand, may need a plumber's snake to clear them out. If the issue is with the design or installation of your plumbing system, then you'll likely need to call in a professional plumber. They can assess the situation and recommend the best course of action to resolve the issue. In conclusion, a gurgling toilet is usually a sign of an underlying issue with your plumbing system. While some causes are easy to fix, others may require professional assistance. Always remember, if you're unsure, it's better to call a professional to avoid causing further damage. We hope this video has helped demystify the causes of a gurgling toilet. Thank you for joining us today and happy plumbing!